welcome to our video about our new training platform. We are very excited to inform you that we have been working really hard in the past months and have created actually a training website for you. So you can learn everything about all our different items, about our typical trips, and we have compiled all together. But we'll just show you basically with this video everything about that training platform. So, in order to get to our training platform, you actually just can go to our extranet. For the ones who have already an extranet login, the password for our training platform will be the same as for your extranet. If you don't have any login to our extranet yet, please just send us an email or your account manager, and we are very happy to prepare you the login information so you have access to our extranet and to our training platform. So here you see like the home page of our extranet, and in order to get to our training platform, we have here a new tab. See that one over here? So you can just click that one, and then you will come here to our training platform where you can just use the same login data. You just click here login. And then you come to our beautiful training platform. Yes, so here we have our training platform. And you just have here at the beginning a little introduction about Indonesia in general and the training platform. And then we have here the different islands. And you see here a map of all Indonesia. And when you go here at the top of your mouse, you will see the name of the island with a little nice picture. And then you can actually just click on that one so you can come to the specific page of the island. You also have like here below again another area which you will see when you're using this platform on your mobile. So you just have here the different pictures, it's the same system. So maybe let's take an example for Bali. Yeah. Takes a little moment to load. So, Gede, you want to tell us a little bit about our options here?
Yeah, here in this page, you can see all detailed information about Bali. We have training videos about information about Bali. We have quiz time, and we have also mentioned modules that we have on the page. Also, sample of the trips, and also island information, general information about Bali, basically.
Yes. So so on the video, basically just need to click on it, a video will pop up, and then Gede or me or some other colleagues of us who are very familiar with the region will explain you everything about the specific island. Our video is set with the quiz. We can actually go here on the quiz, and we have 10 different questions, and you can answer, and of course always can try again and again. And actually, if you are really good already, we will get a little email, and you will get actually a certificate for the specific island that you completed already the training there. Yes, and then maybe we can just show you here the module area. Might be interesting because we have a lot of sample trips already available, and I mean, if you're there with your client and you just want to show them a little bit what you could offer them, we have here already all little short modules, and here all little already complete sample trips available. So you see here, we have all these modules, and you actually can combine those modules the way how you would like to. Maybe just always get back to us and see if it would make sense, the order you chose. But you can actually see here, hey, my clients are interested to go to Komutaran. You can click on here, and then you will have a sample module for the region, like a typical program. And that would be like also including then already activities, for example, which we highly recommend in the region. So you can say, hey, my guests are interested in Komutaran. My guests are interested, let's say, in Siedemann, for example. So you can basically already give them a bit of an idea what they can do per region, and then combine it already and maybe just get back to us so we can give you the perfect order. So I think that's already really helpful. And then we have here trips. For the trip.
Yeah, in this page, we give you some example of the combination trips. So in this case, we have three example. So let's go to one of the sample here. Let's go. Yes, this one we have a full package of Bali combination, starting from South Bali area and then continue with the Ubud, considered as art and craft center, and then continue to inland to the mountain area of Munduk, and then continue to northwest of Bali Island, which is Komutan, which is very famous for the divers. And then the next trip continue again to the east part of the Bali Island, and then another cross the Bali Strait to the Nusa Lembongan, and then you can end the trip in Sanur area, which is perfect for just a beach stay. This is for just for example, and please note that our trip is mostly tailor-made. So you can request to your account manager and inform what is your client preference, and we will do our best to make a suitable program for your clients.
Yeah, so this is basically here about our island section. You see that some islands we have not yet finished. We are still working on the final videos for them. But we are still working on it, and we are expecting to launch it within the next few months to make sure that all the videos are completely covered. But yeah, the main areas like Bali, Java, Sumatra, Lombok, Flores, all that regions we are already ready. We just need to add a few more for our like Maluku and Papua and Kalimantan regions. As most of you already know, we actually also have here, we also actually started this year with webinars, which is really exciting. And that is actually a great addition together with our training platform, really to increase your knowledge about Indonesia. So, but yeah, since we are already doing these webinars, we also make sure that we are recording them. And just see, we're loading. So, you can see here in the webinar section that we have added there all the different webinars which we have already done this year. Yeah, so you have here the tab where you can just click on and you'll find already all webinars which have been done this year. So feel free, if you missed it, you can just watch them over here again. We have here also our schedule for the upcoming webinars for the next upcoming months. Also here with the host who will be holding the webinar. Then here we have the webinar sign up form. So if you have not signed up, please use this link here to sign up to the webinars. And then lastly, we have here our post-webinar questionnaire. So we're always very happy to receive actually some of your feedback, because that is the only way how we can improve and get better in the webinars we are currently doing. So please feel free to get there, because there you will feedback. Well, and then last but not least, we have here our work with us section. Let me click on that one. So what we do there, Gede?
Yeah, just introduce who we are. And then general information about us also, about our extranet video, how to go from extranet, any other detailed information about Indonesia mostly.
Yeah, so it's just really all trying to come together at the moment. We have so many different support platforms and options for you available. And here we also just really would like to use the opportunity again to explain you how everything works. And to show you also even how to make your own clothes. All right, we are really excited to launch with you this training platform today. And we can't wait also to receive your feedback. If you have any questions or have any feedback for us, please just send us an email or use this little question boxes. And we'll definitely get back to you, because how I mentioned already, that's the only way how we can improve. All right, then we all wish you a wonderful day and of course also a great weekend. And yeah, we're looking forward to hear from you.